Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Self-Sufficient Mama. I wanted to share some information that was recently taken off of my channel. I cannot say certain words, so please look over this information and get what you need from it. Share it with others. I cannot say certain things, so I'm going to leave certain words out of this video. And let's start off with some history of this wonderful medicine, Ivermectin. Ivermectin has been around for over 40 years. It is approved by the FDA, and it is used to treat several conditions such as parasites, scabies, head lice. Right now, the flccc is recommending it. They've been recommending it for the past few months. They have updated their protocol. Here is the updated protocol from the flccc. This is the recommendation that they approve of and how to treat yourself. Here is a slide that I found information on how to calculate your doses for using ivermectin. So I had so much trouble trying to figure out the calculation for different tablets and different milligrams and weights and sizes. So hopefully this slide helps you guys out the most. Please go to the flccc.com website if you are having troubles finding this medicine or you need a doctor to help you get this medicine. I cannot speak anymore on the subject of acquiring this medicine, so please go there and you'll find the information you need to acquire the medicine that you're looking for. I wanted to thank you guys all for the support and for all that you guys are doing to help spread the word on this information that we are putting out there. I'm sorry I have to do videos this way. We are being watched. If you could, I would appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel and share this video to as many people as you can. Until next time, guys.